Ever wondered how to make your video content more engaging, more professional, more you? Welcome to the world of Invideo, a platform that transforms your ideas into incredible videos. It all begins with a simple step: visiting the Invideo website. This platform is like a treasure chest filled with thousands of pre-made templates that you can customize to suit your needs. Step 1 is to choose a template. Perhaps you're in the mood for something minimalist or maybe something more vibrant and dynamic. The choice is yours. Remember, Invideo has something for everyone. Once you've made your choice, step 2 is all about customization. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Change the colors, add your text, upload your images or videos. The process is as easy as pie, and the result is something that truly represents you. Step 3, add a little magic with Invideo's wide array of effects. From transitions to animations, the platform gives you the tools to make your video come alive. Now on to step 4. This is where the magic of sound comes in. Choose from Invideo's vast library of music tracks or upload your own. Remember, sound can make or break your video, so choose wisely. Finally, step 5. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, all you need to do is hit the export button and voila, your video is ready to impress. Invideo is not just about creating videos. It's about creating stories, memories, and messages that resonate. It's about putting a piece of yourself into every frame. If you're ready to embark on this journey of creativity, click on the Invideo link in the video description. Go ahead, explore, create, and transform your ideas into reality. With Invideo, the world is your canvas.